Do you also have socks that you don't like to wear but still keep? Stop doing it. Not worth it. You know when you have to try something on and your head just... Hi everyone, welcome to a new video on my channel. Today I'm going to tackle my closet, and it is really needed because it's July and my summer stuff is already in here, but as you can see I also have a lot of wintry stuff, and I just want to create some mental space by taking it out. If you like cleaning and organizing videos, I made a little playlist so you can watch that as well. And now let's just tackle the closet because I have been postponing this for too long. We're starting with my hanging clothes or tops and stuff like sweaters. I think I'm going to keep this one in my closet because it is a very thin jacket and I can wear it on more colder days. I have this little black tank top that I barely wear, but maybe I can use it during the winter for an extra layer. Not sure, but I'm going to put it on the winter pile, and if I don't wear it in the winter, I'm going to throw it out. Even though this turtleneck is like quite thin, I'm not going to wear it during summer, so this is going to the winter pile. This jacket, you guys, screams fall to me. I barely wear it, but I love it so much. I love the colors and I think it is very unique, but I don't know what to wear it with. So if you have any ideas, please let me know. I really love it, so I want to make this work. Oh, but for now it's going to the fall winter pile. I'm keeping this one in my closet for colder days. These are all more winter stuff, so these are going into the winter pile. A little thin sweater I'm going to keep in there. Cardigan, this is pretty warm but cute on top of a dress, for example, so I will keep this in there for colder days. I live in the Netherlands and it can be rainy and cold during July, or it can be like really hot, so I want to keep some options. Then this white tank top that I had for years, but I barely wear it. I'm considering donating it, but I'm not sure yet. I'm keeping it for now. Simple white cotton tee, I love this for summer. This blouse is a little bit too small for me, but I love it so much, so I'm still going to keep it. This new top that I bought this year, 100% cotton, which I love for summer. So these are all of my hanging clothes. There are some things that are in the laundry, but still I think I own not a lot of summer clothes. And I should buy more t-shirts and stuff, but I always tend to go for white, just plain white t-shirts. Yeah, I'm boring like that. Over here we have my husband's clothes, and these are some of my longer hanging clothes. First of all, this dress, I love this dress, but it's really tight, especially around the neck. You know when you have to try something on and your head just won't go through it almost. It isn't really comfortable. Maybe I will donate it in the future. But for now, winter pile or fall pile. This beautiful long blazer that I got secondhand for only like 12 euros or something. I love this. I should wear this as a coat when it's a little bit chillier. So I'm going to keep this one in the closet. Then right here we have my funeral dress, very conservative. I love it though. Bought this secondhand as well. I'm going to keep it, but not store it in my closet because I barely wear it. Another secondhand dress that is really large but really cute with a belt. I think it's more something for fall, but it could also be useful on chillier days. Especially when I go to church. Still more a fall thing, so going to put it away. Another bodycon dress, also bought secondhand and definitely too warm for now. This dress I'm going to keep in here. As well as this one. It has long sleeves, but still for the chillier days, perfect. A cute jumpsuit. I wear this with a t-shirt underneath. A very summery white dress, definitely a keeper. Then over here I have a bathrobe that is way too hot for now. And of course I'm also wearing a summery dress. So if I look into my closet, I'm like, man, I don't really have a lot of clothes. I am more of a minimal person, but still. I think I could use a few more items here and there. Next up is this drawer. And I already immediately some things that I want to take out. This is a beautiful leather skirt that I got secondhand as well, but definitely a more winter fall item. This skirt I love, 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 but definitely more a New Year's Eve item. I wish I could just wear this out though. Would you wear this out on a summer day or not? Let me know. This skirt is more for fall, a summer skirt, also more of a fall skirt. This skirt is quite thick, but I'm going to keep it because it is a very light color. I think it will go for colder days. I think this is the brightest item in my closet. Such a cute skirt. Fake leather pants, way too hot. 2 glitter flare pants that are way too hot for now. A black coated pants. This is one of my favorite pants to have in my closet, but it is kind of old. There is a lot of wear, so maybe I need to throw this one out and buy a new one. Then I have 2 light colored jeans, a very long one and a more cropped one. I'm keeping these for now for colder days. This is a cropped one as well, perfect for colder days. A really warm pair of joggers, a keeper for colder days, and another top that is too warm. I definitely need more summer clothes because there's almost nothing left. I'm going to clean this real quick and put everything back. The second drawer contains my makeup, jewelry, sportswear, leisure wear, and there are definitely a few items that I want to donate or throw out. Simple black t-shirts, jogger shorts. These joggers are too warm. And this is a cardigan that is really old, not my style anymore, so I'm going to throw this one out. I like to wear these shorts on top of my bikini for a little bit more coverage. I bought a new bikini this year, so definitely going to keep that one. This is my Sportswear Basket, and I just bought this beautiful pair of leggings from Stronger. Can't wait to wear these to the gym. Also bought a top to go with it, so those are keepers. A sports bra, another sports bra, another sports bra. I have this top that I bought and barely used. It is new. Think I am going to sell this or donate it. Sports t-shirt that I love to wear. A little crop top. And 2 pairs of leggings. So this is all there is left. Not much, as you can see. The next drawer is my husband's. I'm going to clean this out and put all of the warmer stuff away. So this is what my husband's drawer looks like right now. He has more clothes than me, probably. And the last one is towels, bath mats, and miscellaneous stuff. Over here we have our towels, some hot water bottles for my period and stuff. Over here we have bath mats, an old towel, a scale, and some cleaning cloths. I'm almost done with our closet, but I'm really hungry, so I need a little food break. I'm gonna make some lunch. Okay, so I am back from my little lunch break and I'm going to do this little cabinet right here beside me. It is not a lot of work, I think, so I'm really excited to get this done. Next up are socks and swimwear. This bikini I've had for 4 years or something. They never fitted me well. They were really cheap, and now that I got a new pair of bikinis, I'm going to throw this out. As well for this one. Calvin swim shorts, a cover-up dress. I love the colors and the pattern, but it doesn't really go well with my swimsuit, but I can't throw this out yet, so keeping it. This little basket has had his time because there are all yellow stains and it looks gross, so this is going to go. These are really thick socks, not going to wear those. Tights that are too warm. The thinner ones I'm going to keep. Do you also have socks that you don't like to wear but still keep? Stop doing it. Not worth it. With pain in my heart, I am going to sell this, I think, or donate it. This looks really clean and nice. Yeah. So this is all that I am going to throw away. And over here we have all the winter stuff that is not going to fit in this bag, but guess I'll just use a garbage bag and some stuff that I want to give away and such. So that was it for this video. I hope you liked it. If you did, give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already. And don't forget to watch over here or over there the playlist to get more inspiration and motivation for cleaning and stuff. And of course, I hope to see you in my next video. Bye!